Hey friends, if you wish to fix L2TP connection attempt failed because the security layer encountered a processing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the network drivers. And how would you update the network drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then go to device manager and expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek network adapter and then select update driver. The next solution is to disable proxy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Select connections, select LAN connections. You can check the box associated with automatically detect settings, and you can uncheck the box associated with proxy server. The next solution is to disable any third party VPN. And finally, you can perform a network reset. So, why are we sticking to a network reset? The reason is that the network reset command will entail all of the commands like flushing the DNS, resetting WinSock, and resetting the TCP IP protocol, everything. So, here's what you have to do: right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, then select network reset, and finally click on reset now and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.